Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are diving deep into the world of journaling, and trust me, it is an absolutely amazing tool for finding some clarity in our pretty chaotic lives. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to get started.
So, let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like you have way too many tabs open in your brain? Yeah. If you have, you are so not alone. We're all constantly swimming in thoughts and worries and never-ending to-do lists. It's a totally universal feeling, and it's exactly what we're here to tackle today.
You know, this quote really hits the nail on the head. Our brains are incredible, right? But they're for having ideas, not for holding on to every single one of them. Journaling, that's our external hard drive. It's a place to offload all that mental clutter so we can actually look at it, process it, and, finally find a little bit of peace.
All right, here's our game plan. First, we're going to bust the myth that journaling is just some Dear Diary thing. Then, we'll get right into how you can start, like today. We'll explore different styles to find your fit, tackle the big pen versus pixel debate, help you sidestep some common mistakes, and then get you all set to write your very first entry.
Okay, let's jump right into our first and maybe most important point. We have got to reframe what journaling actually is, because I promise you, it is so much more than that stereotype of a little book with a lock and key. So this right here, this is the key difference. See, a diary often just records what happened. I went to the store today. But journaling, especially therapeutic journaling, is all about the internal stuff. It's asking, how did I feel at the store? It's a tool for looking inward, not just listing events.
All right, now for the part you've been waiting for, how to actually get this whole thing started. And I've got great news. You can forget all about complicated setups or needing the perfect pen. You can literally start this the second this explainer is over.
If you remember one thing, let it be this. There is only one rule. Just show up. Consistency is so much more important than the content. A messy, one-sentence entry every single day is a million times better than some perfectly written essay once a month. The goal is not to be profound. It's just to build the habit of showing up for yourself. And seriously, it is this simple. Step 1. Pick a medium. Any notebook, the Notes app on your phone, whatever works. Don't overthink it. 2. Set a timer for just 5 minutes. That's it. And just start writing. And step 3, this is the most important one. Let go of being perfect. This is your private space for your honest, unfiltered, messy thoughts.
Okay, this is where it gets really fun. Journaling is definitely not a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. So let's explore a few of the different styles out there so you can find the one that just clicks with your personality and what you're hoping to get out of it.
Let's kick things off with a big one, mental clarity. If your main goal is to untangle all those thoughts, maybe get a better handle on your emotions, and just quiet some of that inner noise, then these next few styles are going to be right up your alley.
So morning pages are just a fantastic way to do a brain dump first thing and clear out all the junk before you start your day. A gratitude journal is super simple but incredibly powerful for shifting your focus to what's going right. And well, a dream journal can be a pretty fascinating way to tap into your subconscious mind.
Next up, this one's for all my organizers and goal-getters out there. Journaling can be an absolute powerhouse for structuring your life and actually making real, tangible progress on your ambitions.
You've probably heard of the bullet journal, or Bujo. It's famous for its super efficient system of tracking tasks and notes. A productivity journal is a little more focused. It's all about setting big goals and then tracking your progress. And a planner journal is perfect if you just need to manage a really busy day-to-day schedule. And finally, for anyone who wants to use their journal as more of a creative playground, I want you to remember, journaling absolutely does not have to be just words on a page. Not at all.
These styles are all about visual and tactile expression. Junk journaling is amazing. It turns random scraps into treasure. Art journaling lets you paint, draw, and collage your feelings out. And a travel journal creates this beautiful, tangible record of your adventures. It's really just a wonderful way to play and create without any pressure.
So let's just break a few of these down side by side. Notice how a gratitude journal can take just 5 minutes. It's a huge return on investment for your happiness. A bullet journal takes a little more time, maybe 10-15 minutes, but it's fantastic for organization. And morning pages, well, they're the biggest time commitment, but they are amazing for clearing your head. Just looking at this, which one kind of jumps out at you?
All right, next up, it's time to tackle the great debate. Pen or pixel? The classic paper notebook versus a modern digital app. Does it really matter which one you choose? Well, let's break it down. As you can see, there are some pretty clear trade-offs. Paper is tactile, it's personal, and it's wonderfully distraction-free. On the other hand, digital is secure, it's searchable, which is huge, and you can add stuff like photos or audio clips. But honestly, there is no single right answer here. The absolute best method is the one you will actually stick with, period.
Okay, let's talk about the pitfalls. These are the common little traps that cause people to get all excited about journaling and then stop about a week later. But if you know them up front, you can just sidestep them completely.
You know, probably the biggest mistake is just trying to be perfect. You don't need some life-altering breakthrough every single day, and you definitely don't need to write a flawless entry. And listen, if you miss a day, who cares? It's not a failure. You just pick up your pen or your keyboard the very next day and you keep going. Remember, the goal is practice, not a perfect streak.
Okay, we've covered the why, the how, and the what not to do. The only thing left is to actually do it. So let's get you set up and ready to write your very first entry, right now.
Oh, I absolutely love this quote. It just captures the whole spirit of this perfectly. Don't worry about all the time you didn't do it. That doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is this moment right now and deciding to start.
So, here it is, your first prompt. As soon as this is over, grab your notebook or open an app and just spend 5 minutes answering this one simple question. What's on your mind? What's worrying you? What's exciting you? What's just rattling around in there? Get it out onto the page. And just like that, you will have officially begun. Happy journaling.